Hello, in today's video I will share my experience of use Smallrig universal smartphone cage after 3 months of use. Before I start, I would like to invite you to my second YouTube channel, where I show beautiful places in the countries I have visited in 4K quality. I will leave a link to the description of this video. I've been using this cage for more than 3 months. I bought this cage for my iPhone 12 Pro Max smartphone. And to be honest, I'm not disappointed at all. I'm very satisfied with this purchase, because the cage is of excellent quality and there are many places for installing additional equipment. So if you have additional equipment which you would like to attach for a cage, here you would have definitely a great opportunity to do that. Also, that I really like is the rubberized contact surface of your phone to cage is done really well, and my phone is held very tight and never gets any scratches or damages. I choose cage for a long time and choose exactly this model. And honestly, it was a really right choice. The material is very pleasant, and also this cage very light. The mount fits perfectly to my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I think if my phone was 1 mm wider, it would be still fit. Wider, I'm not sure it would be quite stable. I use my iPhone without case when I use it with this cage. If you have any questions about this cage, let me know in the comments, I will be glad to answer.